Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace side view mirror on a Hyundai Sonata step by step. Pry off interior trim, unplug the mirror harness, and remove the retaining bolts. Position the new mirror, secure bolts to factory torque, reconnect the wiring harness, and test mirror functions and heater. Reinstall trim and verify mirror alignment from driver's seat. Take your time and follow safety precautions while working on the vehicle. Start by removing visible screws near the armrest and pull the door trim away gently using a plastic pry tool. Detach any electrical connectors for switches and lights, then set the panel aside. With the panel removed, hold the mirror from the outside and remove the retaining bolts from the interior side. Keep bolts organized and inspect the mounting area for damage or corrosion before fitting the replacement mirror. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear car repair guides. Quick recommendation: try the Kindle Paperwhite for relaxed reading while waiting for parts or for service manuals in digital form. Check the description for the link and other deals on tools and accessories to help with your project. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Place the new mirror onto the door and hand thread the fasteners to ensure proper alignment, then tighten evenly. Reconnect the wiring harness and verify movement, heating, and signal indicators work correctly. Replace the interior trim and secure all screws, then reconnect the battery. Sit in the driver's seat and adjust the mirror for proper visibility. If any function fails, recheck connections and wiring before finishing to ensure safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.